Okay, this is going to be a daily video for March the 2nd, 2020. Let's go ahead and get into it after the long weekend in the markets. So the S&P 500, we talked about this on Friday. What we were looking for was one of those days where you get a gap lower, open lower, and then all of a sudden you get a reversal in one day, right? Try to put in at least a short-term bottom. What happened today was, the biggest one-day point gain in the Dow history. So, nice reversal pattern. Overtook this red candle right here and actually blew through the 38.2 retracement from that high to this low down here. So, looking for it to at least extend on probably to about 31.22. We'll see what happens when it gets there. You've got the smaller EMAs that are coming down and going to act as resistance. But we talked about it. Price was way outside the Bollinger Bands. Had no choice but to come back in at some point, which it did. So anyway, that's what we got on SPX. We'll just keep an eye on this thing. It's not like it's the total bottom, but at least a tradable rally, right? And so anyway, that's what we got there. Let's go and take a look at the Bitcoin futures on the daily. And we talked about this as well, the trend line, okay? If it could hold this trend line and the 50 EM or the 200-day moving average right here, or 100-day moving average is what that is. 200 is still just above, and you got the 50 that's acting as support as well. So there were 50 right here in yellow. Price was outside Bollinger Bands, pulled back in, and you get a bullish engulfing candle today, which we haven't seen any kind of bullish candlestick pattern in quite a while. So this is a good sign for bulls. If it can get obviously back above the 200-day moving average and the 10 and the 20 EMA, room to go to the upside. And I'll go over that in another chart. But that's the Bitcoin futures. Let's go ahead and get back over to regular Bitcoin on the Coinbase exchange. This is not a futures chart. And I'm going to change my pointer focus so you'll be able to see it better. Where I'm pointing to. Okay, and so talked about this, gave the red alert the other night because of this, right? It was either going to hold this trend line and bounce, or it was just going to come crashing through. The chances really of it crashing through were, in my opinion, probably slim. And so there we go. We get this, which is basically pretty darn close to a morning star formation. We had big downtrend, big red stick here, doji, and then a big green stick to reverse the downtrend. We'll see if it can hold, right? Getting back above the 233 moving average right here would help. Also getting back above the 10 and the 20 would help as well. It did get above the 200-day moving average. But the biggest thing, holding, price was outside Bollinger Bands again, pulled back inside, held the downtrend line, and then now we're starting to get a move off of that. So let's go ahead and take out this 23.6 retracement, as it looks like it's pretty much past it. But this is a key area right here, a little bit over 9,000. And next resistance is going to be around 92.32. So still some room to go to the upside if it wants, but getting past this 233-day moving average and your 10 and 20 obviously is going to be the big driver. Still plenty of energy left if it wants to, trying to come out of oversold on stochastic RSI. So that's Bitcoin. Let's go take a look at Ethereum. And basically, same sort of candle pattern today, a nice reversal pattern here. But what we're looking for is getting back above the 10 and the 20 EMA. And then, any kind of bounce that you get from there, when it comes back, we want to see it hold that 10 and 20 and then get it kicking to the upside, right? For now, this is just a nice attempt at a bullish reversal pattern, right? Nothing's confirmed yet, but has potential. Litecoin, same thing. There's that pattern again. But getting back above the 200 and the 233, or the 233 and the 10, not trying to sound like a broken record, but that's what we've got. Let's go over to XRP. Much the same with everything today. And I'm not going to go over a whole lot of these. This will be the last one, and then I'll go over to a couple of altcoins. Nice reversal. Let's see some confirmation. Link. This one here really doesn't care what the heck Bitcoin's doing. It doesn't seem like. Held a low right here. Nice bounce. Got some resistance right up in here at 440. Obviously held the 20-day moving average after it passed through. 10 and 20 never crossed. So Link continues to be a very, very strong mover. XTZ as well. You want to see it get past the 10 and the 20 right here. So bullish engulfing pattern today. Any kind of break in confirmation to the upside, and this thing will probably get some legs. So keep an eye on that one. DGB, we're still long this one. Had a big dip down to 63, but we still didn't get stopped out, and basically all it did was do a double bottom. Okay, nice candle pattern today. Let's see if it can break up and get out of this range and give us our money. ZRX, just kind of holding in a pattern. Just nice reversal. Similar to everything else. But we want to see it get past the 10, the 20, and the 50 EMAs right in here. So things to watch over the next couple of days. I'm not saying you have to get out there in an all-fired rush to buy any of this, but we're seeing what the possibilities could be. So maybe we're getting ready for another run here. That's the expectation. But for now, that's kind of what I got, guys. So good luck out there. Give me a like if you like the button or like the video. Just hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button as well. Tell your friends, family, anybody. Just give me a holler if you have any questions. We'll talk soon. Thanks, guys.